All right, y'all. Hey, welcome back to Dear Diamond. And as you can see, I got a lovely guest with me today, my daughter.
Hi.
So, oh, you want to say hi? I'm sorry, Mom.
Hi.
What's your name?
Carter.
Carter with a K. Okay? So today we're going to be working out of a science experiment book. We like doing projects. So, we picked 2 projects that we're going to do today, and y'all going to be doing them for the first time with us. So, let's see. So, the first one that we want to do is called
Teabag hot air balloon.
Teabag hot air balloon. So the first challenge we're going to be doing is called the Teabag hot air balloon, okay? So the materials that we're going to need is a tea bag with a string attached, scissors. Don't have the scissors.
Oh, there were scissors.
We gotta get scissors. Go get the scissors.
Use scissors to cut tea bag open on the side attached to the string. Dump the contents into a mug to use later or discard.
We're cutting the top of it, okay? We're cutting the top of the tea bag, just the top of it, okay? Once you cut the top of the tea bag, it's gonna fold open and you dump out the tea that's in it, okay? So now we just have an empty tea bag. What's step 2?
2. Shape the tea bag into a cylinder and stand it up on a glass plate.
Into a cylinder. Y'all know what a cylinder is, right? Cylinder is a 3D circle. So, you're gonna shape it into a cylinder. It's shaped into a cylinder. What's next?
3. Use a match to light the top of the tea bag on fire.
So, we are going to light this tea bag on fire and see what happens. So we're gonna sit it in a plate. Cylinder. We're gonna sit it in the middle of the plate. And what they want us to do? Use the match to light the top of the tea bag on fire. The observations of this is to see what happens to the tea bag. So you see the tea bag, you see I got the lighter, we're gonna light the top of it on fire and let's see what happens. But we gotta have some water on the side just in case things get crazy.
What?
The tea bag floated, y'all. That tea bag trick was crazy, y'all, so it actually worked. What we observed was the tea bag burnt all the way down to the bottom, and then it floated away. Like what was left of it just floated away. It looked like a piece of cotton. Just floated away. So that trick actually worked.
Does it only work on
Look at the picture. This is what was supposed to happen. The tea bag was supposed to float. We didn't know exactly when it was going to float. That's why we yelled. But the tea bag floated. Now we're going to move on to the next project. So today we're going to be doing another science experiment. Today the science experiment that we're going to be doing out of this awesome book of science projects is called the what?
Magic spoon.
All right. The ingredients that we will need is a small bowl. Have a bowl. Some salt. We have salt. Some pepper. We have pepper. A plastic spoon. In a dishcloth. So, the observation, what we're supposed to observe from this project that we get ready to do, it wants us to observe, why do you think the pepper jumped and leaves the salt behind? Does the effect change if you alter the distance or the angle of the spoon relative to the salt and the pepper? So what I think is supposed to happen is when the dishcloth and the spoon meet the salt and pepper, maybe it's gonna like separate the salt and the pepper. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna read the directions. So the first thing is to measure a teaspoon of salt and pepper into a small bowl and mix them together. So I'm pretty sure this spoon is a teaspoon. If it's not a teaspoon, we're gonna make it a teaspoon. So, pour a teaspoon of salt on there. We're gonna do the same thing with the pepper. Pepper should be easy.
It's like coffee beans, but small.
That should be enough. that step 2, they want you to rub a plastic spoon on a dishcloth for 10 seconds. Whoa, but you gotta mix this together. Mix that together. Mix it together. Now they want you to rub a plastic spoon on a dishcloth for about 10 seconds. So rub the bottom of the spoon flat like that for 10 seconds. Rub it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now they want you to hold the rounded end. I'm gonna just shake it in the bowl so it could be at the bottom. They want you to hold the rounded end of the spoon over the salt and pepper mixture, and they want to see what happens. I'm gonna bend the spoon a little bit because it can't really fit in the bowl. I don't see nothing happen, so I'm gonna rub it again. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that pepper. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, the pepper's on the back of the spoon. That could be what was supposed to happen. The pepper, but not the salt.
Wait. Only the pepper.
Let's see. Let's do it again, y'all. So what looked like is happening is that it's taking the pepper and not the salt. So what I'm gonna do, because the spoon is too deep for the bowl, I'm gonna turn it to the side a little bit so that y'all can see it. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Since we know what's supposed to happen now.
Only salt.
It picked up all the pepper, but it didn't pick up the salt. So that's what we observed.
That's cool. But the salt also looks like it's non-existent.
Yeah, so it didn't pick up the salt. It only picked up the pepper. So this project was not a fail. And the pepper float, so the pepper stuck to the spoon. All right, guys, so that was another experiment brought to you in part by Dear Diamond and my lovely assistant,
Carter.
We will be coming to you as often as we can, and what we're trying to do is do at least half of the projects in this book. So we're gonna be coming to you, bringing you more videos of the challenges we're gonna be doing in the science projects, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you stay tuned. Comment below, let us know what was your favorite experiment we did, or if you have some other experiment ideas you might want us to try, let us know. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.